Am I dreaming? That's the Wither 3.
There's something different about this island.
You can't unfeel.
वो डॉक है जहाँ से अभी हम लोग आए, वो वेल हो गया। फॉग हॉर्न, ओ फॉग हॉर्न बज रहा है। रेडियो रूम।
It's like the past has awakened from its slumber.
Wow.
Calling.
Look at this भाई। और आदमी को क्या चाहिए? हाथ में एक कप चाय हो या कॉफी हो? What?
That light.
Is that a person?
Something.
That's a person. यार इस चिड़िया की तो I can't stand seeing these dead birds again and again. Jackpot.
Something.
I hit a jackpot.
In the dark.
Hello? It's a human flesh. What? Look at it! I was not expecting a jump scare, bhai.
I came here for the work. Thought distance would drown the past. I was wrong. The ones who came before me, their faces said more than words ever could. There was something about the island that didn't sit right with me. And some things you can't unfeel.
Wow. Game looks good, bhai. Game looks good. And guess what? We can sprint in this game. भाई शोर में तो बहुत ही आवाज कर रहा है, मेरा पूरा कान दर्द दे गया पानी का इतना आवाज सुन के। We have a well. ये भोंपू कहाँ से बज रहा है भाई? एक और घर है, झोपड़ी। बट फर्स्ट यहाँ लिख देते हैं। लाइट हाउस बोल के एक हॉरर फिल्म भी है ना, जहां तक मेरे को लग रहा है। Flashlight. For now, it's of no use to me, but I can't get through the dark nights on this island without it. Wow, पूरा सन्नाटा। Pin drop silence जिसको बोलते हैं ना। Whoa, that's our lighthouse. This is not related item. Okay. There is no related item in their inventory. Okay. Quickly explore करके we have. That's our suitcase. I got a compass. Maybe the last keeper forgot it. Okay. It's too early to sleep. वो डॉक है जहाँ से अभी हम लोग आए, वो वेल हो गया. फॉग हॉर्न. ओ फॉग हॉर्न बज रहा है. रेडियो रूम. ओके. D3. लानान आइलैंड. लालान आइलैंड. सो फार गेम तो एकदम कोजी वाइब दे रहा है मेरे को. अगर इसके साथ एक फ्रेंड होता ना रहने के लिए ऐसे एरिया पे, तो हो फ्रेंड, गर्लफ्रेंड, लाइफ पार्टनर, कोई भी, और जिंदगी भर का राशन, उसके बाद तो भाई यहां से जाना ही नहीं है. क्या बोलता हूँ, सही नहीं बोल रहा हूँ? ऑयल कैन. ओके. लेट्स एक्सप्लोर दी लाइट हाउस. चलो ले भाई ऑयल पी. अब तो चल जा. सनसेट इज नियर. आई बेटर स्विच ऑफ द फॉग ऑन. ओके. ये ना फॉग ऑन, वो तो शोर हो गया, ये फॉग ऑन हो गया. ले भाई बंद हो जा. थैंक यू. सेकेंड ऑब्जेक्टिव हो गया अपना. नाउ व्हाट? सनसेट नियर. बंद हो जा. नाउ इट्स टाइम टू स्लीप. वो व्हाट्स गोइंग ऑन ओवर देयर? 3 जन को दफनाया गया है. Oh, seagull. So that's why the birds are crying out. Okay. Oh, ये बेसमेंट का की, लाइट हाउस का बेस का की. This key may be the last cards left it for me. I need to find out what it's. हम तो कौवा को बस देखें ऐसे करते हुए, क्योंकि जब भी क्रो कोई मरता है तो उसके ऊपर क्रो मर जाता है, बट सीगल के ऊपर आई डोंट थिंक सो. अगर आप लोग देखे होगे तो, क्योंकि हम जब छोटे थे ना, तब एक बार क्या हुआ था, मेरे सामने एक कौवा मरा हुआ था. सो अ डेड क्रो वाज नियर मी. तो उसके ऊपर कितना मिनिमम टू मिनिमम 25 या 26 क्रो गोल गोल घूम रहा था, और मेरे को लगा था कि क्रो अटैक करेगा मेरे ऊपर. ओह, अपने सूटकेस का. ओके. I am leaving this note because there are things about this island you won't be told. If you knew them, you would never agree to stay here. Beneath the lighthouse stands a cellar. And who is this Abraham? Father Abraham stands before the lighthouse, raising a large cross high in the storm. He seems to be forcing back unseen demons, as if the very tower itself had become cursed. The image carries a sense of dread, like a desperate attempt to hold back something overwhelming. What have I got myself into? Let's sleep for today. कल का कल देखेंगे. What? Am I dreaming? That's the Wither tree and the 3 crosses that the letter was talking about. and that this dead seagull. Oh. Smoking is injurious to health. Is remembering William, Jonathan, and Vector, distinct people. No, I don't want to hear this. The sun is rising. I should turn lights off. बता, सुबह ऐसा नज़ारा देख के हो तो क्या ही बात है। वो लुक एट दिस भाई। और आदमी को क्या चाहिए? हाथ में एक कप चाय हो या कॉफी हो और मस्त यहाँ पे बैठ के कैन आई जंप? नो। और ये ऊपर उठ भी रहा है सूरज। वाओ, वो बैठने के लिए। और सिगरेट पीने के लिए। साला हरामी रेवन क्या चाहिए? इसको भी सिगरेट पीना। साला what the fuck was that? Again the birds are restless. What's happening this time? इस चिड़िया की तो मार मार के चिड़िया मरे जा रहा है। Yet another dead bird. There must be some meaning behind these deaths. These deaths. बना के खा जाऊंगा मैं। What? Is that a person? That's a person. Someone's up there. Who's that up there? वैसे कितना सैलरी मिलता है मेरे को ये सब काम के लिए? हम सैलरी के हिसाब से रहेंगे यहाँ पे। ये सिगरेट की आदत। अगर सैलरी ज़्यादा होगा तो भी मैं रहूँगा, नहीं तो मैं जा रहा यहाँ से। Did I saw something? No. यहाँ का तो चाबी मिला था। हैं? Not compatible. ये क्या हो गया माहौल को? Someone's up there. What? मेरे को तो ऊपर से ही आवाज आया। Jackpot! I hit a jackpot! God, no, not again. I swear I never touched this poison. I can't. दूसरे ही दिन में काम पे लापरवाही कर दिया. So this is me, a man who can't keep his promise, a hopeless man. Okay. वैसे मेरे को देखने वाला तो कोई है नहीं काम पे. So I don't think कि किसी को कोई फर्क पड़ रहा है कि हम काम कर रहे हैं या ना कर रहे हैं. ओके, here we are again. How the night looks. I was not expecting a jump scare, bhai. What now, bhai? What now? Again? और लालटेन चल गया नीचे. हेलो? A Sagrada Bible. A Spanish Bible, okay. A skull of unknown creature. बंदर का है भाई, बंदर का है, मेरे को पता है. I know they lied to us about the fate of the tree. We are. So, day 3 was sealed. So, from where can I get the... What the fuck is this? It's a body, bhai. Hello? It's a human flesh. What? No, please don't. Please don't. Again? Let's go. कुदाली है, परेशान मत करिए नहीं तो काट दूंगा. कई बार में Jonathan believed this sacred symbol might protect him from darkness ahead. तो ले लेना भाई इसको. भाई कान में आके चिल्लाया भाई, यहाँ यही ओके। What? As long as you flee from truth, the light will flee from you. Yet in the end, the light unveils the truth, Arthur. Unveils the truth. And what truth you are talking about, bhai? What kind of truth? I am not hiding any secrets from anyone. What? Oh, this is my past. What I did. Not scared.
Since I started keeping this light, it falls on the wrong places.
Observer 1, this is Iron Fist. I repeat, this is Iron Fist. We need enemy coordinates now. Observer 1, we don't have time. The planes took off. Send enemy coordinates now, over.
Copy that enemy position. 38 degrees southwest, under the lighthouse.
Arthur, what have you done? The coordinates were wrong. We hit our own men.
Oh, this is my sin. I told the wrong coordinates. What have I done? Oh, it was not me. I'm sorry. I thought that was the right coordinate. If it consumed him all. No one made it out alive. It's all my fault. All of it. No. What have I done? Civilian children, this was their shelter. It's all because of me.
This is a breaking report from the Western Front. British forces have pushed back the enemy, forcing enemy troops to retreat. Key positions are now in our hands and morale among our soldiers is high. This success marks a significant step forward in the ongoing campaign. More updates will follow as the situation develops.
Bro, it was not me. It was just a mistake. It was a mistake. I didn't do this on purpose. Oh no, he is one of us. What have I done? I messed up. This is my sin. This is the sin I committed. I gave the wrong coordinates. I gave the coordinate of my own subordinates. And now they are no more. Finally got you. Got you. What should I do now? क्या मैं उस समय ड्रिंक किया था जब कोऑर्डिनेट्स दे रहा था मैं? Please don't tell me I was drinking that time. What? Finally you came, Arthur. Are you talking to me? Stay down. I can smell the devil clinging to you. Are you still here? What happened to the other two? What happened to the other two? They prayed, they stopped, they lost hope. And when hope dies, the devil takes his due. The light, where it is, where is it? We thought we could bury her itself. We hid it beneath the other. Next morning the tree was dead, and this island evaporated turned into damnation. Are you still here? You have been down here all this time. Time doesn't matter here. Alive, dead, our soul rot in this pit. Bro, no. The devil won't release you, not while the light is buried. Then it's true, I have given in. The bottles in the cupboard. The devil left them for me, didn't he? No, you carried your damnation with you before this island, before the light. Your sins carved a darker beast than any devil. There's no running from it. What are you saying? What are you saying? What are you saying? You are the thing you fear, Arthur. The very shadow that feeds this island. Oh no. It's you who brought death upon the bird. It's you who keep the devil smiling. And now the devil is here, closer and closer still. And now the devil is here, closer and closer still. Arthur. Arthur तो मैं हूँ वैसे. Jonathan, what to do now? He is Jonathan. नहीं, he is Abraham. Abraham. I'm alive. I'm alive. He was right. The truth never changes. कहाँ क्रॉल कर रहा है? उठ जाना. Facing. Surrendering. Escaping. Oh, I have a choice. Of course. But it was not my fault. It was not at all my fault. Let's hope our decision was right. Okay. That's the light. Greater descent, the brighter the light glows. यही बोला था ना वो? Don't tell me अब तीसरा चौथा कवर हो गया मेरा. Bro, I am an idiot. I am an idiot. मैं ये लाइन भूल कैसे गया आज की? Greater the descent, the brighter the light glows. If you ask me about the game was okay. मतलब कुछ ऐसा स्टोरी लाइन नहीं था कि वाओ बोल दो. For the price of 400 rupees, game was okay. Okay था. तो अगर वीडियो अच्छा लगा तो वीडियो को लाइक करो और चैनल पे हो तो सब्सक्राइब करो और बेल नोटिफिकेशन भी ऑन करो ताकि आपको मेरे वीडियो नोटिफिकेशन जल्द से जल्द मिल सके. तो मैं मिलता हूँ आपसे अपने अगले एपिसोड में. तब तक के लिए स्टे सेफ, स्टे हेल्दी. बाय बाय.